I'm CleanKIX Benj. Today we're cleaning a pair of Revenge Storm Vans. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. A customer brought this pair in, and this is what we're going to be working on today. As you can tell, they're pretty cooked. Toe box is cooked, the midsole. Lots of stains too on this canvas material right here. And then the soles, not that bad, but definitely could use a clean. So let's get right into it. And as for always, we're gonna put one shoe to the side, so we'll put the right shoe to the side. All right, we're gonna start by taking out the laces. We're just gonna put the laces in our solution in water like we always do. This will just let them absorb the cleaning solution, and then we'll scrub them out at the end, and they'll get a lot cleaner than they were. Now that we've got our laces in the water, we're ready to start with the uppers. The uppers are looking really dingy on this leather here. That'll definitely be able to get more white. But we're just gonna try to remove the dirt and some of the top stains. We'll get into the deeper stains later, but right now, I'm just gonna use a soft bristle brush to get over everything. Right now, we're just going over the toe box here. It is a leather and it is kind of cracked right now, so we got to make sure we're super soft with this. Okay, now moving on to the canvas. This does have some deep stains in it. We'll try to get that out with the steamer in a little bit. We'll get to that later. Right now, we're just trying to get all these top stains out, especially on the eyelets here. We're really trying to get over this so the laces can just sit nicely and there's not dirt under them. Moving on to the back here, same with the leather, not as cracked. We can scrub a little bit harder on this part just because there's not really a concern of scratching it. Moving on to the collar, there is a lot of dirt on this, so we're gonna have to get into this pretty good. But yeah, then the opposite side of the shoe should be the same as the other side and not as many stains, so that's a good sign. And now we're just going over the tongue, trying to scrub out all this dirt here. There's extra dirt that gets built up because of the laces covering it, and it's kind of just something you can't see. So we're definitely trying to get rid of all that. And we might use our power tools as well. That'll probably help out with this part a lot. We just finished going over the upper of the shoe. There's definitely more work to do with the deeper stains, but for the most part, it is better. It still needs to dry too. That's why it's really dark, but it definitely should look better once we let it dry. As of now, we're gonna hit the midsole. So I'm gonna be using a medium bristle brush and a hard bristle brush for this. And then we'll also be using some of our power tools. So let's get into it. I just finished cleaning up the midsole on these. It turned out really, really nice. Back to a pearly white. There might be a little bit more that I touch up later, but for now, this is definitely good. Huge difference. All the dirt pretty much gone. So now we're gonna move on to the bottoms. It's supposed to be white right here. We definitely will hit this with the big mechanical brush just to cover the whole area of the shoe, and we'll get back to you when that's done. After getting all the dirt out with the pick and then scrubbing it with the mechanical brush, we clean these up pretty nice. So there's still a little bit of dirt in there that we are going to get out later. On the uppers, I think we're gonna steam them. There are a couple stains. There is like a blood stain, I believe, right here. Not sure if that's gonna come out. Blood doesn't really get out of shoes very well, but as we can see, it's still a little dingy up here. We're gonna see if the steamer can help do the trick on these. And if not, we will let them dry and go over them again. After going all over this one more time, the blood stain didn't really come out right here as I kind of expected. I thought the steamer might do something, but it did lighten it up a little bit as the rest of this upper. That's what's hard with cleaning canvas materials. If it is really dirty, there's not really much you can do other than lighten how dark it is. But we are going to try and hit this with a Tide pen, see if we can get the stain out. All right, we just finished cleaning up the shoe. Now we've got to finish the laces. We're just gonna scrub those, dry them out, and then put them in the shoe, and that'll be it for this shoe. All right, guys, this is the final product. This is the shoe we cleaned. Definitely a huge difference, especially on the midsole and toe box. The canvas material definitely didn't clean up the way that I wish it would, but that's just part of the shoe and there's not really much you can do about that. But thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on too. Make sure to get updated when we post new videos. Make sure to follow our social medias on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Make sure to check out our Whatnot live streams as well. We're going live every Thursday now, so just make sure to stay tuned. We throw out deals like crazy on there. Thanks for watching. Peace.